Now, Nandi Hills Member of Parliament Alfred, Keter and two other Jubilee MPs have taken the party to court after their names were expunged from the House committees. We are now joined live by our reporter Leila Mohammed, who is covering the story from Milimani Law Courts. Leila, what is happening?
Well, Hudhaifa, as at now, the judge who will be listening to that case is going through that petition and really going through those the prayers by those four members of parliament. And very soon after clear deliberations, he will be able to give his directions, after which those four members of parliament will be able to give us their statement. Actually, it is Alfred Keter, Silas Kipkoech, David Bowen and James Gakuya who are suing Benjamin Washiali, the chief whip for the Jubilee Party, and Aden Duale, the majority leader for the National Assembly. And they say the decision to have their names expunged from that list of chairmen of various committees of the National Assembly was contrary to the rules of the game. However, remember, the Jubilee Party had already given a list of names that they had preferred for the National Assembly committees, and these four members of parliament were seen as going rogue and going separate from what the leadership of the party had agreed upon. And those four members say that it is a one man for all situation, and really the leadership of the party should not force them to go in one direction, and that is why they're here today to give their prayers to the court to immediately stop that letter from taking effect, and they will be able to know whether the court will grant them their wish or this will be done after they have gone to court very soon. Hudhaifa.
Leila, please make us understand, have they filed the petition already? Is it before the courts or they are expected to file it in the afternoon?
Well, Hudhaifa, like I said, that petition already is before the judge who will listen to the case. They are before him in his chambers. Earlier in the morning at around 11 a.m., those four members of parliament were here at the registry and they filed that petition. We already have that document, and what is now going on is the judge is going through that document and is expected to give his deliberations later of what exactly will be the next cause of in terms of how this process will take its course, and they will be able to address the media later after the judge has made his decision.
Leila, I understand that the standing orders provide for an MP to be given a platform to be heard before they are removed from the various parliamentary committees. Have these three specific MPs been given an opportunity by the party leadership before their names were removed?
Well, they've not been able to speak to us why they chose to go to the court first before going through all the available situations within the parliamentary systems is something that we will be asking them later. However, probably they feel that they will not get a fair hearing within the confines of parliament. Thus, they're choosing the judiciary to be their first point of contact when they're complaining about an issue that they say their own party is not happy with them going against what they had decided. So probably those are some of the questions that we will be asking them to find out why they did not choose to go through the parliamentary systems and actually come to court. However, remember, this is not the first time that Alfred Keter has gone against the grain in terms of his Jubilee Party leadership. He has always been seen as a lone wolf or somebody who chooses to go his direction as long as he believes in whatever he wants to do or accomplish within the party, and probably he says that under other grievances maybe he has not been given a fair hearing, and that is why probably he would have chosen to come to court.
Thank you very much, Leila Mohammed. That is our reporter Leila Mohammed live from Milimani Law Courts, where all that is happening. But then again, of course, we'll give you an elaborate briefing later in our subsequent bulletin.